And here's I'll show you how to easily hard reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. First of all, you have to connect your phone with your computer with the charging cable that comes with your Samsung device. So let's connect our phone with computer. Once you successfully connected your phone with your computer, now to hard reset your phone, you have to first of all, you have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So let's do it. Here's my power button and here's volume down button. Let's press these two buttons together. And don't release your finger until you see your screen is black. Now, press power button and volume up button. Don't remove your finger from power button and volume up button. Once you see this Samsung Galaxy logo, now you can remove your fingers. And here, you directly jump into Android recovery mode. Here, you have to select wipe data factory reset option. So all you have to need, use your volume down button to select here wipe data factory reset. Once you select it, now press the power button, and here again you have to select factory data reset. So press the volume down button to select factory data reset. Now press the power button again, and again press the power button, and now you can remove the cable. And it may take some moments to completely hard reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. And here select your phone language and tap on OK, tap on start. Now we have to set up our Android phone. And here I'm setting agree to all, continue. And easy setup with another device, I'm selecting here setup manually. And now go ahead and just set up your phone and connect with Wi-Fi network. And now go ahead and draw a pattern, or you can skip. And now you can sign into your Google account, but I'm going to skip. And don't copy my apps and data. Skip. And select your display mode. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching.